The coronavirus and the growing concern about the Delta variant, first seen in India, fears that the virus could mutate even more to evade our vaccines, especially in states with the fewest people vaccinated. President Biden late today warning the Delta variant is more transmissible and potentially deadlier. This as the country marks a new milestone on the road to vaccination, 300 million shots in 150 days. Tonight, 176 million people have received at least one dose, 62% of people 12 years and older. But will the U.S. meet that July 4th goal of 70% of adults with at least one shot? Here's ABC's Stephanie Ramos.
With a growing threat from the Delta variant, President Biden today urging Americans to get fully vaccinated.
It's a variant that is more easily transmissible, potentially deadlier, and particularly dangerous for young people.
300 million shots have been administered in the first 150 days of Biden's presidency. But at the current pace, the country is less likely to reach his July 4th goal. One shot for 70% of adults. So far, 65% of adults have gotten a shot. The president asked if the Delta variant could force new lockdowns.
I don't think so, because so many people have already been vaccinated. But with the Delta variant can cause more people to die in areas where people have not been vaccinated.
The CDC director today warned it could soon become the dominant strain.
As viruses mutate, they do so with some advantage to the virus. One of those advantages could be that it evades our vaccines, and that's really what we're actively trying to prevent.
Last year, Southwest Missouri saw a spike in COVID cases after Memorial Day celebrations. The state now has the highest percentage of Delta variant cases in the country. It's the dominant strain in Springfield, where some hospitals are running low on beds.
We're definitely seeing folks in their 20s and 30s, otherwise healthy, unvaccinated. Some of the ones we saw last year, there was some other underlying condition. Now there's not.
Adding to the challenge, 30 million Americans still need their second vaccine dose, something experts say is critical for protection against the Delta variant.
Usually one shot gives you a pretty high level of protection, but not with the Delta variant. What we've seen with the Delta variant is that if you've only gotten one shot of, let's say, the Pfizer vaccine, you only have about 35% protection. Obviously, that's way too little.
Both doses so important. Stephanie Ramos joining us now from Yankee Stadium, which will be at full capacity for the first time since the pandemic. No vaccination cards required. That's progress. But Stephanie, back to President Biden's goal of one shot for 70% of adults by July 4th. How far off that pace are we?
Well, Whit, it seems like the Biden administration may miss their goal. On average, about 387,000 adults are getting their first shot every day. But to reach the president's goal, that number would need to more than double to 806,000 adults every day between now and July 4th. Whit.
Still a ways to go. Stephanie, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.